how to build an AI app with no code. So I was able to build this app without writing a single code. And what it does is that you put in your name here, you put in your partner's name, and then you simply come in and click on check lab compatibility, and it's going to give you a percentage of how compatible you are. So let's put in some names here, and then let's come down here and then come and then click on check lab compatibility, and this is the percentage of how compatible they are. Okay, and then it comes with the reason. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can build better apps, even better than this. It depends on the ideas that you have. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from Google come and then type in Lovable just like this, and then hit enter. So when it comes, come and select the official site of Lovable by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the website. When you look at the top right hand corner, you have the option to come and then select get started, but come here to where it says log in and come and click on it. So when you click on the login, over here you have the option to create an account. Okay, where it says don't have an account, create your account, come and click on it, and then it will automatically change to create your account. So you have the option to create an account using either Google or GitHub, or you can simply come and then put in your email address manually and then create a strong password. Come and check the box to agree to their terms of services and come and click on create your account. But I'm simply going to go with the shortcut with Google by clicking on it. And then over here, you have to come and then answer some questions. The first one is, where did you hear about them? Since you are hearing it from YouTube, select YouTube. And then over here, what are you going to use it for? So I'm simply going to go for personal projects rather by clicking on it. And then over here, you have to describe who you are. So you can select who you are. So I'm simply going to select a designer. And then over here, what are you going to use the Lovable to build? We are going to build it with an app. So come and select the SaaS app. Okay, this one, come and click on it. And then over here, you have the option to invite people. But for now, we are not going to use that one. So all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the finish. Okay, so just click on the finish, and that is it. Your account has been successfully created. As you can see it from here, you have successfully created your account. Now, how do you build the app? It's simple. You just come and then chat with the Lovable app or the Lovable AI. You just come and then chat with it. That is it. So let's say hi, and then after that you have the option to come and then click on this to send it, and it is going to reply. So as you can see, it has replied, and then it is saying that how can it help us to build our first project, okay, or our first AI app. That is it, okay. So all that you have to do is to simply describe in English the exact thing what you want your app to be. So from the chat, just like this one, come and then describe. So mine is, I want to build an app whereby two people, you just have to enter two people's name, and then you should be able to check how compatible they are. And after that, come and click on the submit. And that is it. That is it. Just a click. You don't do anything. You don't write any code, and see your app count live. So as you can see, it has created my app for me, and I have the option to come and then test it. So let me put in Joyce and then Solomon, and then let me come and then check how compatible they are by clicking on it. And wow, 94% compatible. That is perfect. So as you can see, it comes with a story behind why it's selected the 94%, and then the advice or something about the relationship. You can come and then click on share to share your results, and then most importantly, you have to come and then publish your app by clicking on the publish. So when you click on the publish, you have some options here. Okay, you can come and then preview the app on that link, and then you can come and then also have a published site link. Okay, so this is the published site link. You can edit it and then make it nice. Then you can also add a custom domain to it. So let's say you want to edit it, come and click on the edit the published link, and then over here you have to come and then rename the project. You should only use small letters without spacing between it. Okay, just like this one, and then come and then click on rename project. So when you click on it, that is going to be the link for your app. Okay, so as you can see, this is the link of the app, And to get it, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the publish, come and then click on the publish. And then after publishing it, you'll be able to come and then copy your app link. Okay, it is totally free. You can simply share it and then you can come and then click on copy link. And we have been able to copy the link and you can send it to anybody on any device. Okay, so after that you can come and then click here and then you can simply go to your dashboard. Okay, so over here, as you can see, from here, this is your workspace. So all the app that you will be created will be here. Okay, and then you can simply come and then click on the three dots and then you can remix it, you can rename it, you can remix it, and then you can delete it as well. And then to open it, all that you have to do is just come and then click on it and then to be open just like this. Like the video, leave any comments down below, and then see you in my next video.